In this video, I will discuss about Blue Apron, a possibility of being bankrupt in 2019. Coming up! Hi guys, Tim with Quantum Financial, bringing you the best investments, helping you make your money grow and outlive your lifestyle with a focused approach. On this show, we do a lot of business news along with strategies and stocks, just like this one. So if you're new here, think about subscribing. A meal kit maker, Blue Apron, symbol APRN, was named on the list of the top 10 potential bankruptcies in 2019. On Thursday, January 17th. The company is not one often named as a potential bankrupt, but after going public as a $10 and falling under $1 in less than 18 months later, there is clearly an issue. The company furthermore posted heavy losses in the most recent quarter of the company, said, quote, it would lay off 4% of its workforce. The company also mentioned it expects to be profitable in the first quarter of fiscal 2019. There is too much potential and low margins to survive in the long term. The stock price has fallen 59% in the last 12 months, while the S&P 500 has only fallen 6%. Blue Apron is ticking time bomb, is running dangerously on low cash, reporting only $61.6 million. Just in 2017 alone, it managed to burn through $70.7 million from operating losses and additional $90 million, which the stock at its third valuation and credit line that is almost fully drawn. Neither debt nor equity financing will be viable to fill the danger zone. They may be creditors' hands within the 12 to 16 months, maybe sooner, leaving investors empty-handed but worthless stock. They also have another problem: slowing growth, delay facility expansions, and skyrocket costs. It's a laser-thin balance sheet. Given enough time to grow and have a perfect logistics operation, may be the viable meal delivery company. But there is not enough time left. Having already drawn down a majority of its credit line and not too much left to get a reissued credit line, and there are meaningful offerings from other companies to buy them out, where did all the cash go? I ask you, be very, very careful of bottom fishing on Blue Apron's barrel. It's a high risk that will not end well. Stay far away from it, run, and run far away as you can. What do you think of this video today? Please leave feedback of what you see of the future of Blue Apron. Thumbs up as to why, thumbs down as to why. What kind of video ideas would you like me to make next? So if you're new here, think about subscribing. Until next video, I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.